Paper Cup Travels Carry-On Edition, where today we are in Rome, Italy at the Hotel Sonya, staying in room 332. They have the card entry that will get you through the front door, as well as all the gated doors up to the elevator, and then you're supposed to put your card in here to turn on your lights and air conditioner when you enter the room. The room itself is, let's call it cozy, but it's on par with any budget 3-star European hotel room. And I will give you a quick tour around. On each bedside, you have one plug. It is the standard European 220 volt, I believe, so you need an adapter, and be careful what you plug in there if you're coming from the US or Canada. The phone. And it does have a safe in the wardrobe. However, the safe is small. It doesn't fit flat a Chromebook, so it's got to be tilted up in order for that to close. Excuse that. So you tilt it up, it will fit, and then it locks. And to unlock it, it's not a combo, it is the key card. And then that'll open it up. So, be sure when you leave the room, you may be tempted to leave the second key in the door, or sorry, the light switch over there, to keep the AC running during the day. However, that does leave anybody entering the room to access the safe. And then here is the view. From our room. There's the little fridge. Thank you for watching this quick room tour of the Hotel Sonya in Rome, Italy. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.